Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to disable shutdown button, which is you can see this one. If it not show here, so first click to start and type run, then click on it and type then registry and then click to OK. Click yes for administrator rights. In the computer, current local user, extract, then software and extract. Okay, and this is URL. Okay, now in the software, go to Microsoft, extract this. Okay, this is Microsoft, and then current version. In the Microsoft, then Windows, extract, then find out current version, extract, then policies, extract. Okay, so this is the exact URL. And guys, if you had changes anything, so first take the backup, export, and select the desktop and give any name like old file, and then save changes, desktop. Okay, now click to file and export. Okay, old file, select the desktop and then save. After that you can see this is old file. When you just double click to it will restore automatic data. Okay, so in the policies, right click, new, and then key. Okay, and then type E capital explore, then hit enter. Okay, then right click here, new, and dw word 32, the type and capital O, C capital, close. Okay, and then hit enter. After that double click to 1 and then OK, means value is 1. Okay, and then click to OK. After that guys, when you restart your system, after that this shutdown options has been removed from there. Okay, yeah, and this is your backup of your registry. So when you double click, okay, and click to yes, so it will restore your data. Okay, so guys, thank you. Anything else, please comment me.